Indian Railways has indigenously developed an automatic train protection system called Kavach, previously named as Train Collision Avoidance System. The system helps to prevent accidents due to human error by assisting locomotive pilots in avoiding signals passing at danger and overspeeding. It can alert the loco pilot and take control of the brakes to bring train to a halt automatically, thereby preventing collision of trains by maintaining a safe distance between them on the same track and control the train speeds. The whole system is a set of electronic devices and radio frequency identification devices installed in locomotives, in the signaling system as well as in the tracks. Kavach was developed by Research Design and Standards Organization (RDSO) under Indian Railways and introduced in 2022.